Lecture 4. Outline of this course. Dear student, in this course we will cover Domain 1 of the CISA Review Manual. The domain title is Information System Auditing Process. If you're interested, you'll find my other courses for another 4 domains, which I'm developing gradually. In the CISA exam, Domain 1 represents 21% of the total questions, meaning you'll get approximately 32 questions from this domain in the exam. Domain 1 is broadly covered in 2 parts. The first part is planning, and the second part is execution. Each part incorporates multiple sections. To keep track of them, we'll be discussing each section in the following order. For Part 1, Planning, we will follow 1A1, IS Audit Standards, Guidelines and Code of Ethics, 1A2, Business Processes, 1A3, Types of Controls, 1A4, Risk-Based Audit Planning, and 1A5, Types of Audits and Assessments. For Part 2, Execution, we will be discussing the following sections in the following order. 1B1, Audit Project Management. 1B2, Sampling Methodology. 1B3, Audit Evidence Collection Techniques. 1B4, Data Analytics. 1B5, Reporting and Communication Techniques. And 1B6, Quality Assurance and Improvement of the Audit Process. So with that in mind, let's start the detailed lecture from the next section.